Hello traders, it is Friday, June 9th. We are about 13 minutes from the close. Pretty light week for me this week. What did I do with coin? Hey, if you like the content on this channel, like, subscribe, make a comment. I would appreciate it. So on Monday, there was news out that the SEC was going to sue Binance, and as a result, coin took a big drop. This is a 15-minute chart going back to Monday of coin. As you can see, we were up in the mid-60s and just down, 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 down. So if you watched last week's update video, I had covered a call option on Friday, and I had shorted a 69 strike call option that would expire today. So I took this picture on Monday. This is me bidding for my call option back. I wound up covering that call option for 26 cents. So I made some profit on the call option, and I was still profitable on the trade because I was long from 55. I was thinking if we'd get a pop from here, I would sell some kind of a call that would have expired today. Okay, fast forward to Tuesday. News comes out. Coinbase shares are trading lower after SEC sued the company. Okay, great. Great. So now what do I do? Okay, so this again is a 15-minute chart of coin, and I've got the pre and post market data up. So this would be pre-market on Tuesday. And we'll fast forward 15 minutes at a time. And whoa! What happened? Look at that. This is when the news hit. And I happened to be at the desk when the news hit. So I'm thinking, okay, being sued by the SEC, I got to get out. And I was not nimble enough. I tried getting out at 56. I tried getting out around 55. And then I stood there like a deer in the headlights for a while. And I finally covered my, or I didn't cover, I sold my position at 49.72 pre-market. Probably, yeah, it would have been on somewhere in this candle here. I think the low of the morning was there for 45.41. And I have to tell you, when I first sold those shares, I thought, oh, don't tell me I sold the low of the morning. Well, it did go about $4 lower. So anyway, coin actually has recovered from this pretty nicely. Hold the phone. That's one of my trading buddies. I'll call him back. So here we opened, and coin started to rebound. And it actually has done pretty well the last 2 days considering. And I have to tell you, when this news hit, I thought it was going to go to 30 bucks. So in the moment when everything was going to pot, I decided to take action and just get out. And I'm happy with my decision. I did take a small loss on the trade. Let's get rid of this pre-market data, and I'll bring in a more current chart here. We'll see where coin's at, because I had a thought of how I might play it had I held onto the position. So okay, so here's Monday, and this is Tuesday. So Tuesday rallied pretty nice. We got up to what, around 52? And then Wednesday we was up in the 53s, and then Thursday, heck, today we were we were over 56. But what I was thinking, had I held my position Tuesday morning, I was thinking, what about selling a 55 strike call for this week? You know, whatever I could get. My cost was 55, sell a 55 strike call. Well, that would have worked out very nicely, but as I said, in the moment, I thought this thing's going to go to 30 or lower. And I was very happy Tuesday morning that I had covered my short call Monday. So let me bring in the final results of this trade here. Okay, here's my spreadsheet. So bought shares at 55, sold my shares at 49.72 for a 528.05 loss on the trade. But I did sell just over 289 in options premium. So all in all, the trade shook out with a $238.61 loss. Not real happy about that, but I thought it could be far worse. If I had this trade to do over again, if we take a look up here, I sold my put option on the 20th of April, and then I got assigned on the 28th. I wish I'd have started selling calls on this the first week. I waited almost a month until I sold any premium on this. And I know what I was thinking. Let's bring in a daily chart. Coin got trapped between the 20, 200, and the 50-day moving averages for about 3 weeks there. And I was thinking that Coin would break through. When Coin had this real rally here and got up to the 50, I thought we would test resistance up here in the in the upper 60s to low 70s, and I thought I'll just sell my shares up there and be done. If it retraces again, I'll start over. But we got trapped in this mess here, and then when we finally did break out, we put in a tail bar, and I really liked this bar last Friday. It had a bottoming tail, and then of course the news on Binance hit Monday, and then the coin news hit Tuesday, and here we are. So anyway, trade's over with, a little bit of a loss. I'll keep Coin on the radar, but I think for the time being this would be something just to intraday trade. Now, a question for you traders out there. I trade at TD Ameritrade, and Coin is hard to borrow here. It's not shortable. And TD Ameritrade is going to be absorbed by Schwab here in a few months. Any of you Schwab traders know if Coin can be shorted there? Because I'll be trading at Schwab soon enough, and I just don't know. So I think that's about all for this week, and that's really all I did this week. Very, very inactive week for me. Now, next week's going to be huge as far as news is concerned. This is an econ calendar of next week. Tuesday, we've got core CPI, CPI year over year, core CPI year over year. Then Wednesday, we've got the PPI information. And then we got a little thing on Wednesday called the Fed announcements, which will be at 2 p.m. market time. So I think it's going to be a pretty quiet week for me next week until after all this news hits. We'll just have to see what happens. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Take a look at the videos above. Have a great weekend, everybody.